So this stage is putting the piping onto the main part of the bag. Your bag should have the zip on it. Mine doesn't at the moment, so technically yours will be 1.5 centimetres smaller, shorter. So what you're going to do is you need to cut 2 lengths of 1.2 centimetres so that there's enough that overhangs each end of the bag. If you just measure out 1.2 metres times 2 and cut them. Okay, so we have 2 sides of the piping. The first one is you've got the cord on one edge, and then you've got the 2 little bits of tape that connects the cord together. We want to pin the tape side to the very edge of the inside edge of the overlocking. So if I find halfway, that halfway is going to go halfway on the bag, okay? And you're going to pin it with the edge of the piping along the inside edge of the overlocking so that the cord's in the middle, or going towards the middle. And you're going to pop that in, and then you just go one way, and you just go along, matching the edge of the piping with the edge of the overlocking, and pinning. Once you've done that to both ends, you'll do the other side, and then you're going to go jump on the sewing machine. Now you can choose to use a 1 foot or a 4 foot, but we're just basting this into place at the moment, so it's just a temporary stitch that'll hold it in place until the bag ends get connected. So what you'll need to do is you'll start at one end. I don't want you starting right at the top, because what we actually need to do is we need to cross the piping over at a later date, so we can't connect it from the very top. So I'm going to say if you start approximately 4 to 5 centimetres down, so you could put a pin where you should start. You're going to line up and you're going to be stitching in the middle somewhere with a basting stitch, so change your stitch length to a 5. So it's a basting stitch, you don't need a back stitch, and you're just stitching down the middle of your piping all the way down and then stopping 5 centimetres before the end, and then repeating on the other side. Done.